Hi, I'm Ron Ogden. Tomorrow, how to download League of Legends for Windows 7. Come with me as I show you what it's like to download something on Windows 7.
To install League of Legends on a Windows machine, you'll need to visit the beta.na.leagueoflegends.com site. Select your region from the drop-down above, and then under Game Info, you will see a download link. Once you are taken to the download page, select the proper operating system and region again. Now you can install League of Legends as you need.
7 windows? I don't even understand what that means. What? There's one window on our computer, and it's the one I'm looking through. Who has 7 of them?